So the Design and Entrepreneurship program is a class where we teach students the fundamentals of design, working with CAD, reading blueprints, 3D modeling. All of that supports students as they develop their own unique business proposal, which is the entrepreneurial piece of it.
The first half of class, we're really like at our desk, either work on new entrepreneurship, vocabulary, drawing, learning new terms and stuff like that, or doing our OSHA, or like just tests or all that type of stuff in general. And then after the second half, we go to the lab, and that's when we really get hands-on.
We could use power tools. We have a plasma cutter, CNC router, all types of stuff in there, and that's kind of my favorite part of the class.
For the entrepreneurship part, I learned about like the basics of the business, what are the components that go into it, what are the essential components, how we need to network and what is the importance of networking. And for the design part of the class, we learned about manufacturing, the basic parts that go into making a product, the stages of making a product, making a prototype, making a design, making a final product, and then if there's any mess ups in that, and how to fix that for the next time.
One of the projects that I'm working on right now is this one. This is a model of a bench that I am building with my teammate Toby. And so this bench is going to be kind of like our class service project.
Everybody gets an OSHA 10 certification in general industry manufacturing. In the first year, they also pursue the Certiport ESB certification, which is eligible for 3 credit hours of college credit.
I definitely like how much we talk with other people. We have different events that goes on. So every quarter we have to participate in a business sort of event and get out in the world. Just last week we had a Java Jam where we had different CEOs and networking partners that came in, and we networked with them. We just talked about business and about how we're going to go about after high school.
The students have a lot of options for choosing their own path after they finish here, and the thing about tech school is it's not closing off any opportunities for anyone. What we're doing is we're providing additional opportunities and pathways to help students find their career path to be successful.